The aftermarket exhaust on this 2013 Focus ST was the very first ST installation we ever did here at CJ Pony Parts. After 6 years and over 70,000 miles, the owner's looking for a different sound, so today we're going to remove it and install a new system from AWE. This is AWE's resonated touring catback exhaust system fitting your 2013 through 2018 Focus ST. Now, like all AWE systems, it's made here in the USA. Features mandrel bent 304 stainless steel with their patented 180 technology, which basically allows a lot of pass-through for power, but doesn't have any drone. This system has the 4-inch double wall tips, and the difference between this and the normal touring system is the resonator. This is going to give you all the performance, but a little bit less volume. For this installation, you'll need a lift or a jack and jack stands, 3/8 ratchet, 6-inch extension, 15mm socket, 17mm socket, T40 Torx bit, 17mm wrench, exhaust hanger removal tool or a small pry bar, sawzall, and safety glasses. Now, since this ST obviously already has an aftermarket exhaust system, we're going to show you some stock footage showing you how to remove the factory system and begin the installation of our AWE. Now, the installation is pretty straightforward. First thing you do, obviously, get the car off the ground. You will need a sawzall or something to cut with because the factory exhaust is one piece and welded. It will have to be cut. What you want to do is find this weld right here, then follow to the curve and cut right in this area. All right, the pipe cut, we're going to start now by removing the muffler. Simply pull it off the factory hangers. All right, moving out front now, we're going to disconnect our factory catback from our downpipe. Okay, the pipe disconnected in the front. We're going to remove the hanger for the rear part of our front pipe. Now the last thing we have to do is remove this cross brace so we can remove the mid pipe. The exhaust system off, make sure there's no residual from any old gaskets here, and give it a once over with a file just to make sure the surface is nice and clean. All right, now we're going to put our new mid pipe up into place with the supplied hardware. So just one side here, it's usually easier to get it lined up. Just something I want to mention while we're installing this system. I mean, AWE really goes to great lengths to build a high quality product. I mean, you look at the quality of the welds here, but even this, the copper nuts, that way even no matter how rusted these bolts could ever get or how much corrosion gets on the system over the years, these will never seize the bolts, make it easier to take it apart if you ever have to. The front pipe installed, we can reinstall this factory plate. Okay, now we're going to work on the over axle pipe. And we'll just snug this clamp down for now. We'll adjust it later. Okay, now we're going to put the muffler up into place. We'll start with the passenger side hanger. And then driver's side, and then line up the pipe. Okay, now we're going to go through and just snug up everything before we work on the tips. All right, now we're going to go back up front here and tighten everything down. Now we'll install our tips. Again, you can pick how tucked or far out you want them. Get them where you want and then tighten them down. Make sure you're happy with the tips and your installation's finished.